Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to play Coin Trio Piggy Burst. So we have Piggy, Wiggly. So see, the name of this or the third pig is little bit different. Piggy, Wiggy and Squeak. It should be Squeaky. So 1 cent denomination and 60 cents bet. Oh, it's now is wearing a hat. 20 cents we got. Guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. I post new videos every day at 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. Reels, the speeds are pretty fast, huh? Oh, Wiggly. Maybe 3 of them burst all together, huh? What is this thing? Coin Trio Piggy Burst. Is it just an image? Yeah, looks like. Our Wiggly is the fattest one. Oh. Hope you guys are doing pretty good and enjoying my videos. You know, no one is now subscribing my channel. I don't know why. What happened? Yeah. Yeah. So guys, please support my channel and subscribe it to it and watch it so at least it gets so many like little bit of views. 570 on a 60 cents bet. At least I should show one. A $10 is gone, but nothing happened, huh? Come on, it's Piggy, Wiggly, and Squeaky. Come on, show some action. Wow, $1 on a 60 cents, but that's good. It will come, it will come. Oh, it starts looking at 2 hours away, right? Previously it was looking towards Wiggly. Yeah. Now I say, okay, you guys are here, we are ready. This guy is a lost fellow. He don't know where he is looking. Ah, Piggy. Hopefully I will be able to show some action on this session. Nothing. You never know, the size doesn't matter, it can burst anytime, right? Even the smallest one can burst first. 30 cents. We have lost near about 30 bucks, huh? Come on. Piggies, do something. Oh, it was Wiggly. What does this one do? Wiggly, we don't know. What does it do? Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see it in action. Oh, it's minor is 25. So what will it do? Oh, it will make it 2 times. Oh, nice. That means if major will come and there's a red one, then it will become 2 times. Cool. Yeah. Oh, nice. It will again make it 2 times. Oh, this becomes $100. Minor is 25. We just need a major and then a red one. Oh, feature completed. Weekly, this one was good, right? 4 times.
I didn't expect it, but it was good.
Yeah, at casino, that's what happens. When you expect, nothing happens. When you don't expect everything, you will get a grand. Maybe next time we will get a grand.
First time, very happy with 100 bucks.
That's
The
cool.
fun of small bets.
Yeah, it also depends on your pocket size, right? Right now, my pocket size is small. See, posting 2 videos per day, right? Your pocket size is small. What else you will do? You hope to get the grand.
So that's a smart move.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's try it more. We'll try a few more hands. Let's see how it treats us. Oh, it goes big. Does it do something? Does it do something? Nothing. Ah. Let's see. I'm trying to show one more bonus in this session. You know, even there is no bonus in any session, it makes you learn that, it's not easy to get bonuses at casino. It's hard. Come on. Ah. This guy is not doing anything, nothing from. Maybe it pays big, that's why I speak. You don't know what this green guy do. This Wiggly is gone so small, see? Oh, after a long time I saw the green one. Now Squeaky is coming. Because this computer knows what 60-cent player is going to do now. That's why. We'll play till $50, 150. Right? Let's see if we can get right. If we can get till 50, 150, we will get. Otherwise, let's continue with our life. These games are very, like addicting. Like you really don't want to leave because coins are coming and you think they are going to bust. I was thinking that I can show the piggy bonus, but only 565 left. Do you think we can do it in 565? Yeah. Come on, do it.
It's about to come.
Yeah, that's what every player thinks. Huh? It also. Should we continue till original 100?
Gave you 875.
Oh, it gave you 875? Wow, that's good. We have some more ammunition to hit these pigs. See, now the coins are not coming. Oh, we got it? No, it just wear a hat. That's it. Where are our coins? Come on, do it. No.
I want all three of them.
Yeah, that's what we want. Every player wants that. In the 3-bag games, all player wants. Ah, it is just moving. Should we? Okay, let's go till our original 100, huh? If we get it, we get it. If we don't, then that's okay. Yeah. Whatever this machine has given, we will give it back, right? Where are our coins? Piggy, come on, do something. I did not even pan because I was not sure it is going to bust. We got something? Wow, that's good.
These are the lights.
Oh, these are wires? Ah. Come on, do it. Ah. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's good. Come on, do it. Piggy Wiggly. Even without the head, they can burst. If they can, that will be cool, huh? You see this machine, what it is doing? It is wants to make all of them look nice so people can come and play. Come on, Squeaky, Wiggly and Piggy. No doubt, graphics of this game is pretty good, huh? Come on, yes, do it. Right now they are very stubborn. They are saying you Wiggly already gave. That's why we don't want to give right now.
They all come to the end.
Yeah. But at least before $100. If all three bus before $100, that will be super cool, right? Oh, for the diamond rings. For a while I thought it will. I was just trying to trick the machine without panning the camera. $34 more. We are still up, right? We just put $100. That's okay.
High time.
Yeah, it should count. Oh. I know when it will reach near about 100, everyone will wear a hat. Wow, 50 cents. Better than nothing. Come on, do it. You never know, anytime these can burst and it can make us happy, right? Oh, now you see, that's what now it is reaching $100. So machine is saying, I will make all of my babies look nice, right? Everyone will wear a hat.
Now you have the $100 left.
Yeah. So then you will see by the time it will be 100, this will also be a red one. So this way you can stay that oh it's about to come. Come on, bus, make me wrong. See, I told you, right? So now they are going for a party. All the three brothers, Piggy, Wiggly and Squeaky. It's a tricky game, yeah. All the games in casino are tricky. Yeah. See, from the last 23 minutes we are trying and only one burst and then see that's also a trick. It will burst one, then you will just wait for the other one. Oh, 445 is good. I will accept right now whatever machine is giving. Come on, do it. Huh? We have not seen Squeaky and Piggy, right? We have seen Wiggly. It doubles every money thing. I want to see what Piggy and Squeaky will do. Oh, we got it. Yeah, that's good. Weekly feature. Yeah, that's. See, exact at $100. It went for the party. Maybe a major. 2 times. Ah. Let's see. 120. That's good. Wow. If there will be some big number, that will be cool, right? That's okay. Do you think we can get a major? Oh. Major is 567. Oh, we just have one space left. This is a grand. There's no light in the tunnel. Come on, do it. It's hard, but one day we will get. We burned so much money just for $12.50. Okay, let's continue. 25 minutes video. What are these guys doing? They don't want to go for the party? Or do it? That's good. Oh, squeaky. Let's try till $50, huh? Let's see. It's okay. It looks like that we are starting from a stretch. Let's see, hopefully we can get by $50 these two pigs. This is our original 100 going on, right? These two are very hard right now. Oh, it is feeding this one to make it big, right? Hopefully we can get the blue and green and red all together. It can happen. Oh, this guy is always ready to, yeah, he always wants to go for the party. It's a 30-minute video now. Yeah. Come on, show some action. Come on. Come on. Give us a comeback. At least to our original. We reached till 200, right? Yeah, so we need to get that money. If three of them can bust together, it will be cool. Then there's a chance we can get our original 100 plus. Yeah. Very hard, huh? 280. These two are very tough guys. There's a lot of action going on poker table. Huh? Behave, squeaky, do something. I think they want to bust on the bigger bet. Huh?
I guess.
Yeah. But the problem is we can't go. Let's do one thing. Like for rest of the money, we will go for 120. Huh? Yeah, rest of the money for 120. Let's see if we can bust. Although we don't want, but you know. Maybe I have to post this video in two parts, right? Yeah, it will be a pretty long video. Maybe in a three parts. No, we got it. Oh yes, yes. Fist bump. Okay. Hopefully it should be. Now we will know what this blue and green will do. Where is our major? What this? Oh, this will jump. Oh, this is the Kyo one. This guy will jump. Mini is $10. That's why I always dreamed of to get the mini for $10. What this green guy will do? Award all. Oh, it collects everything. So all we need is a major and then a green, right? Oh, come on. Hello? Oh. Shameful win. Oh my god. $30. This machine is so happy.
I just want to show my reaction.
Yeah. I was thinking we will get a major.
We spent all that money
Yeah. Wait.
for 30 bucks.
Okay guys, so you want to continue more? No? Okay. Now we are seeing Piggy, Wiggly and Squeaky, right? Okay. Okay guys, we will stop our video. If you like our video, please make sure to like and share. And if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. I post new videos every day at 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. So make sure you guys watch. Okay guys, have a good day. Take care. Bye.